there guys, so this is going to be the last pumpkin recipe for this year, I promise. And pasta again, yeah, I know. You want to start out by cutting down your onion into smaller bits. You want to take some oil in a pan and add your honey and let that melt together quickly. Then you want to add in your onion as well, and then cut down your pumpkin into little cubes and put that in there as well and let that sit for a minute or two. Then you want to sprinkle some vinegar and mix that in. And then you want to pour in your vegetable stock and let that boil until your pumpkin is softened. And you want to prepare your pasta as well in the meantime. So when your pumpkin is ready, you want to add in the cream. And then you can add salt, nutmeg, or whatever you like and mix that in. Here you can see me add some salt. You can also add a little bit of spice with some chili flakes or something like that. And then you want to let that boil one last time, and then your sauce is ready. So you want to take your pasta, put it in there, and then you're basically done and you can serve it. This is such a nice, quick, very delicious recipe. I hope you try it. It's very filling as well. And yeah, if you do, let me know if you like it, and then I'll talk to you soon. Bye!